Back up, off throttle, off a little bit, back to the right.
Hello there.
Ooh. You know what they say, practice makes perfect. So call me during my little image training session right there. If you watch DBZ, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this oil change real quick. A rear belly pan. Bam, peep the stickies. Shout out to Sever Sky. It's my guy. All right, wanted to interject real quick and just show what oil I am putting in, as well as what filter. So we're just gonna go completely OE with that. And then also, after talking to the dealer and everything too, they said the high flows were really good. I just want to do that quick little knowledge break before I go ahead and drop this oil, and let's get to it. All right, here we go. Gonna go ahead and just break this loose. Here we go. Had to give it a little bit of a love tap. Boom. Oh, it's gonna overflow. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. Was not the cleanest bowl. Oh my God. Dude, it's like, it's still definitely good oil. It was the gloves. All right, now let's get some oil in this thing. Okay, now we put oil in it. All right, now it's time to get these bottle panels back on. So, as soon as I got done doing that oil change, FedEx guy dropped me off a package. So, one thing I needed to address was these tank grips. As you can see, they're pretty cool. They go along the majority of the tank all the way up here to kind of the groin area. But on this side, this thing is floppy. I can literally we're just gonna go ahead and just show you. See, the back of it was sticky. It's my little Amazon version that I bought, but spent some more money and got these stump grips off of Revzilla. So hopefully these actually like grip me up and I get stuck on the bike, can't move. But yeah, now we're just gonna also install these before the track day because perfect time to test them out. First, what I'm gonna do is hit it with some rubbing alcohol just to clean the mating surface before we get into it. So it's a really jank way of doing it, but I just dump it on my foot. Stupid, that was a little dumb. It's not how you do it. Silly goober, but yeah, oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. But now she's cleaned up a little bit better now. I'm actually really excited about these tank grips because I think I'll actually be able to grip the tank better. Who would have thunk it, right? Alrighty. Ugh. Oh, she's sticky, bud. She's sticky, bud. Oh yeah, bud. Oh yeah, dude. These might hurt. No, I think that this might hurt my legs a little bit. Okay, now we do the other side. Oh, brother. Oh, bam. Okay, bet. Dude, this adhesive is insane. I mean, that's gonna help a lot. That's gonna be a big difference. Get that right there. First tee. Oh yeah. Yeah, like I said, I think this is gonna, I love how I'm just using a paper towel. I ran out of my shop towels. Dude, I feel like this is gonna hurt my legs. I can't wait. Stop grip. Am I sponsored? No. Do I like stickers? Yes. Okay, let's see. Ah, God. Oh wow, yeah, that is up there. That is up there, dude. I feel like I'm not even like fully tucked properly.